How's it going, everybody? This is Alex from Tiger Skull RPG, and I've been wanting to do a video for a while now where I show you how I sculpt brick or rock or what have you. And I'm going to take you real quick through my process here. So let's do it. Okay, so first thing is I like to isolate the brick I want to detail, and I'm going to do some cracks. I'm going to break it in half. Let's clone it out of here so that way it's on its own and we can focus on it. I'm going to hit, I've got a hotkey to delete hidden, and then this was part of a larger group. And I think I want to break it kind of right here, and maybe some few debris around there. So what I've noticed, I've duplicated it here, and I'm going to switch my brush to this knife curve brush, and this is going to help me to break apart the model. So you go one way on one mesh, you switch over to your next one, you roughly go the other way, kind of retracing your steps. Maybe that's a little bit too far over. Let's try it here. Undo that. Great. And maybe I want to break this one up a little bit now, so I'll duplicate this one. Let's knife it again this way. Go to your other one, knife it again the other way. You can push Alt, give it a little bit of a curve to it. That's great. Do I want to break it? Maybe I'll break it even one more time. Which one? Let's break this one. Duplicate it. We'll cut it. I'm holding Control Shift, and you can see the gradient. That's where it's going to break here. And then let's switch to our other one and go the other way. Roughly the same pattern. Pretty close. Okay, great. Now we've got it broken up. Let's do a little more detailing, but let's switch to the clip curve brush. They're almost the same, but the knife brush will literally cut your mesh, whereas this one's just going to push it around. And the reason you could use the knife brush for this part, but I noticed that it's still a little bit unstable, and if you use it too much, it's a crash waiting to happen. But this clip brush is very stable, so I'm just drawing a curve, and I'm hitting Alt a few times. I kind of want it to be an irregular curve, so just have fun doing that. Kind of chop off bits here and shave it down like it's been sharded or cut or whatever, or like kind of shattered off. Yeah, just have fun with this part and try and do that everywhere. Oops, hit solo. I'm forgetting that this is one piece anymore. Yeah. So we're going to keep cutting. Get a very, kind of like, have like big breaks, little chippity breaks, medium-sized breaks, just kind of mix it up. Okay, next one. I like to solo it so that I can really see all angles that I'm chipping away at here. And yeah, don't be too precious about it. This is rock after all, so it's a little bit random. So you kind of want to go quickly and make no two rocks the same. And I don't do this to every rock, just every once in a while when I feel like it needs a little bit of interest, because I want this to feel like this is a staircase from like a really ancient dungeon, like it's hundreds and hundreds of years old and kind of crudely built. Sustainability was not thought of. Like longevity was not thought of when these were kind of roughly placed here. It's just kind of, the more broken the better, in my opinion. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm just chipping away. And if you want, you can, after that's done, you can apply a little noise. You can use whatever noise brush you like. I've got a few I've made. Maybe I'll touch on making like good noise brushes in another video, but there's a lot of them out there. You can just find the ones you like, whatever style of stone you're making. There's different brushes for that, and just have fun looking for that if you want to do a project like this. But yeah, this is kind of just a generic one. Great, so I've broken it up and into kind of the pattern I like. Let's merge them all together. You can use merge visible, but I'm just going to merge down, copy, go back into my larger structure here. Oops, it's changed to the regular brush so I can do my masking. I'm going to hit, I have a hotkey to delete hidden, and I'm going to delete that one I was working on and paste in the new one. Great, wow, it's broken now. I'm going to hit my auto groups hotkey and just make sure everything's grouped properly, and kind of give an organic pattern here, so like it fell, it kind of crumbled in a natural way. Just angle it inwards. I want it to feel like it's been trodden in the middle a little bit, so that's why I'm kind of angling everything in. Yeah, like that. I can shrink, maybe do whatever you like. This is you know, kind of very loosely structural. This is not a CAD model, this is not a blueprint. Yeah, this is a almost hard surface organic in a way. So that's it. That's how I'm doing my bricks. And I've gone all around here. It takes a little while. Some of them are painted on, you know, with like a chisel brush or whatever. But I think every once in a while it's good to just give it a little bit of extra character and really break these bricks physically. And so that's how I would do it. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. See you next time.